strongest product right now. The challenge is that mainly currently they are rather operating in a small scale through the small, medium enterprises, and I guess that is the challenge. And for tradeinvest, we prioritize the four sectors. For investment promotion, namely the industrial manufacturing, the agricultural and agro processing, and the tourism sector. And so for any Malaysian companies that are interested to invest in those four sectors, we are more than welcome to facilitate any additional project that you may have. As I pointed out, we have the product. However, the challenge is that we lack the know-how in terms of the state-of-the-art equipment, the certification scheme for the product to be exported, as well as the capital. And so any Malaysian investors who are able to provide the capital, to provide the know-how to the Timorese, even through the joint venture partnerships, then it is more than welcome. For tradeinvest, one of the key criteria to obtain a declaration of benefit is that if there is a joint venture, then the capital threshold should be 250,000, which I guess is quite low for any investor to enter. And so please do come and make that partnership happen. Tradeinvest are here to facilitate with all the relevant line ministries for any interested sectors that you may have. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm sure that Malaysian side can take some feedbacks here from Mr. Francisco. Now to Mr. Eduardo, I think we have heard from many from Malaysian companies, to open up a company here or business here. We have heard from so many, but I think it's good for them to hear from Surf itself how the process works, whether the Malaysian companies who want to come into the country, what will be the procedure like, because we also heard that there's a tedious process to register. So we want to also understand how the bureaucracy works here, whether they need a local partner, or they can open up with their own companies or whatever. So perhaps maybe you can explain that and they can hear from you, and it will be much better for them to understand.